Golden rice is a genetically modified rice plant engineered to contain more beta carotene, the precursor of vitamin A in the edible endosperm. Beta carotene, while found in other parts of the rice plant, it is not present in the edible rice endosperm. Two genes that induce the synthesis of the carotenoids in the endosperm are extracted from bacteria and the daffodil flower. The constructs are inserted in the target rice cells. The genetic modification starts with the selection of target genes. In the case of golden rice, it is the biotin synthase extracted from narcissus, more commonly known as daffodil and carotene disastrus, from bacterium Urina uridova. The genes are then isolated in the likely case that the gene is already archived. The gene is amplified through the polymerase chain reaction, a scientific technique that duplicates pieces of DNA and generates millions of copies. Once a gene has been cloned, it is used to create a construct, which also includes additional sections of DNA, which enables the target gene to replicate. Gold particles are coated with this construct and inserted into the target genome with a gene gun. It will replicate and complete the genetic transformation. The daughter cells are screened for the desired genotype, and the cells with the genotype are marked and replicated and becomes the basis for the genetically modified plant. The main purpose of golden rice is to increase the amount of vitamin A in the diet of the impoverished in developing countries. Lack of vitamin A has been proven to be the leading cause of blindness in children in developing countries. Research by Payne et al. 2005 shows that in some strains of golden rice, up to 36.7 UP of carotenoids are present in every gram of golden rice, with 85% of it in the form of beta carotene. This implies that the RDI of vitamin A in the 4 to 8-year-old child could be reached with about 33 grams of golden rice. This amount may be reduced if the child's diet is more diverse. Still, the rice, if mass marketed, could very well reduce the incidence of fatalities and blindness from vitamin A deficiency. The Golden Rice Project in all cost over $100 million in funding from charitable donations, according to the Institute of Science and Society. Yet after 20 years of development, golden rice still has not been commercialized despite major deals with the pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca to provide the rice free of charge to poor farmers. Therefore, they believe that it is highly dangerous due to the issue of genetic pollution, where GM crops spread and are mixed into the gene pool of unaltered plants. Golden rice is a good way of genetic engineering because it helps the less fortunate people who lack nutrition in the developing countries, and it helps them out when they need good source of vitamins.